Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, it's boom or bust right now. Well, it is kind of. It's not really. It is. I mean, it's all in. It's all in margin. People talk about getting margin called. Well, this is that moment. Except I would need things to go down a long, long way, somewhere in the region of about $40 for that to happen. So we're in a position where we are now. We're trying to buy more. We're trying to find the bottom. We want it to bounce so we can sell the higher lots and keep the lower lots. It just keeps on going down. The market is in euphoria at the moment. It might be difficult living through this if you are living through what I'm living through right now. However, if you can stay strong, this is how you make life-changing money. I did it once before with the Liberation Day. This is very similar, not quite as dramatic, but similar. I did it with Liberation Day and I made 75 grand in 1 year. Now we're about to do it again, but this time the numbers are double what I had then. So we can make a lot of money here very, very quickly. However, we can also lose a lot of money. So it has to be well thought out, well planned. I understand the business. I know why it's selling off. I know what's going on. Markets are, at the moment, we had the Snap deal, then we had the Costa Coffee deal, and now we've got a technical chart playing out. What we've got now, we've got technical positions, algorithms set to sell below certain level, the different moving averages. When we hit that point, we get auto selling and we get automatic positions just execute, and down it goes. That's what we got. That's what that big line was earlier. We hit moving averages, we went below certain levels, and we sold off. That's what it is. And then there's some retail freaking out, margin call, all this kind of stuff, and that's what we got. But to me, this is buying opportunity. So I've been buying heavier and heavier and heavier all the way down. I've got to say, it doesn't really help that I'm just coming up to my 24 hours of my fast. Every now and again, I take 3 to 5 days where I don't eat anything. It recycles the body. It gets rid of toxins. It gets rid of cancers in your body. It burns off fat. It's really good for you. But you have to know what you're doing. I have water and I have electrolytes with it. But I'm coming up to the 24 hours in a couple of hours from now. So this is the most pain. And then I sit on the sofa thinking I'd love a bar of chocolate, but I resist. Thursday, midnight, I'll start eating again. So I'm going through stress on the market, plus I'm now running 4 channels and trying to grow 4 channels at the same time. And I'm going through a fasting. Couldn't be worse, really, could it? Anyway, so there we are. We're going to do a deep dive for you as well from the newsletter, how the US majors are re-engineering Venezuela's energy map. We're going to cover that on the big story today, so look out for that. Very exciting. That's coming up in a minute. Anyway, let's go for all your comments and questions. Can everyone tap the like button? We're very, very slow here this afternoon. You're all very quiet. Tap the like button and consider subscribing. If you are new to the channel, we now have a 4th member of the family. We've got This Is the Main Flagship show, the music show, of course, every Friday, the extra channel, 24-hour support, playing you the restream of the day, different time zones with live chat. And we've now got the Clips channel, this one here, and it started yesterday. It's 1 day old. Who will be in the first 100 subscribers? 83 subscribers. It started this morning, last night. The official launch was last night. So we're coming to 24 hours for the Clips channel. What the Clips channel is, you go to the Clips channel and you get these 1 minute, 30 second, they're not shorts, they're actual videos. And you can go to the playlist as well. You can see the full playlist. I add them to the top, so you can simply go to the playlist every morning and get all the headlines for the day. 1 minute, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and it gives you all the text on the screen, so you can have it in mute if you want to. It's like your daily newspaper. Read along, and there you go. There is our Clips channel, which has just launched. If you've not yet had a look at it, go and check it out. It's on the homepage of the channel, Martyn Lucas Investor Clips. And there you go. All right, I'll give you the link actually to the... Is this the playlist? Yes, it is. I'll give you the playlist. That way you can go and check it out at the end of the show if you'd like to. So here we go. This is the playlist for the Clips. All right, if you just want a quick blast of the news in a couple of seconds, there it is. Let me put that up the top. All right then. Right, we got our big story of the day, and we'll do that in a minute. Let's do some comments and questions first of all. Good afternoon. Hello, world, says Brian Bynum. Hi, mate. How are you? Walker wonders why. Hey, gentlemen. Good afternoon, all. Ryden, good afternoon. Brian Bynum. Howdy, everyone. Good night, said Zach Zeitz. Howdy all, 1970 Buckley. The world looks very different today. It does, doesn't it? It does. That's what I love about life. You never know what's going to happen. Every day, something else. The XRP song. You want the XRP song? XRP. XRP song, I love it. They drink a lot of fizzy pop, including Coke and Pepsi, in Venezuela. Oh, no. We don't want that. We don't want that to stop. Says ChatGPT. Thank you very much, James. I believe everything ChatGPT tells me. That makes me more of a selective person. I like it, Brian. Mahia, hello all, USA, crypto mercenary. Well, yeah, but we don't want to go around the world just taking over all the world, do we? Now he wants to take over Greenland. I mean, steady on, mate. You got to be a little bit like, we are the world, right? Or is it we're just America and no one else exists? I know some people think that. It's probably not the best way of looking at the world, but there you go. Good God, says Mike. How are you, Mike? How are you? 500,000 in now. 500,000 in. Yeah, pretty immense. Look at my year to date, Mike. Is how not to start the year. $8,700 down. It's only 3% though. It's a big portfolio now, but I've been using all my margin. I've been buying heavily, waiting to find a bottom. Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom going to come in? Oh, good God indeed. You don't know, but it's undervalued now, so I'm very happy. Mike, hello to you. Brian Bynum, yes. James and Brian, hello. Mike, we've not seen you for a while. Oh, MSK's here. MSK, you said you want to race me to $1 million. This could be it right now. This could be it right now on my Coca-Cola. Anyway, let's go through crypto. Look at crypto today. Ethereum up 2.8. Everyone's buying risk on assets now. XRP is flying another 10%. Look at this. Stadavi, I gave him $2,000 of XRP at 185. Hello. I bet he's happy. I wish I still owned it, but there you go. I had to give it away, didn't I? Bitcoin up 2.23. Everyone's buying risk on assets. And you know what comes next? They take profit. And where do they go? They go in Coca-Cola. Come on, start buying this. It's all the way down. I love it. It's great, but it requires a lot of discipline and planning. MSK, how are you? Good to see you. What a start to the year. Can you believe it? I'm down $6,000 in one day. Yo, says MSK. I'm happy for everyone holding XRP. Congratulations. Can't drink Coke either. I can't drink anything. I can't drink anything at all. No. Thursday, midnight, I'll have something to eat. Yeah. I know. I'm Mike, I can't drink Coke. Venezuela banned Coke Zero. Did they? MSK, yes, fasting is powerful. Highly recommended. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, it's very, very powerful. And you can feel it. I'm already feeling it now. I'm starting to feel quite lightheaded. Start to feel a little bit fatigued tonight. And tomorrow, round about this time, I will get a dose of energy. What will happen is the fat stored in my body will start to be burned, which is a very, very pure energy. And I will get a rush tomorrow. I'll be like this tomorrow. You'll be thinking, he's been drinking Coke. No, he hasn't. He's been burning himself. Anyway, fasting is powerful, yeah. MSK, I've been taking some profits and buying more and more Coca-Cola. Good luck to you, mate. Good luck to us all. I wish it would stop now because I can't buy any lower. Look, I mean, I'm all in. I've got 34 grand left. I've got to keep some money, right? I mean, literally, just to pay the interest. So, yeah, you can see what I've done. If I look here, I mean, big time, right? 449,054. So that's it. That's $504,000 because I've got 54 on the Roth IRA. So $504,000, $500,000 in Coca-Cola now. So how much of it is margin? Well, if we go over to the buying power, you can see 226, $225,000. 226, well, not quite, is it? 226. It's serious. Yeah, of course it is. Absolutely it is. But as soon as we pop up to $70, I will start to trim the margin and hold everything below. You can't hold it. You can't hold everything. Of course, if I can get through until February, I'll get about $6,000 in in dividends come December, come February. which would nearly cover the interest if I decide to go that route, but I don't plan on going that long. All right, XRP is doing very well today. Yes, Yo Brian. Yes, it is. Can't catch up with the new buy on XRP. Watching since hours, it's going up. What do you think? It jumps back. Says Liz. A bat. RW Invest. A bat. I don't know what that means. A bat. Is that ticker symbol? What are you trying to say? How low will Coke go? What's a good entry? Well, I'm happy with it. I'm happy. This is a good price for me. I've been buying it since 72. So I'm very happy. At the end of the day, this is just cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. What's a good price? Well, it's for all the reasons I've given, it's going to $80 this year. Well, we're January the 5th. The year will soon come round. On a good year, if we do well today, this year, and we could do with all the things that's happening, 96. Well, it's at 68 now, so I'm very happy with that. It's a strong buy with all analysts, and that was at 71, by the way. Good evening, Liz. The number one human being called Liz. I bought XRP during the XRP live show and now making money. You are. Do you think SpaceX will IPO this year? And what do you think about the stock density Tech 100? Do you think SpaceX will IPO? That's the plan. Will you be buying it, though? James, hello, dear. Hope you're okay. I have been buying more Coca-Cola today. Happy to be able to take advantage of the sale. Good evening, all. I love XRP. It's doing great in it. I'm okay, Liz. Coca-Cola has it made, but it's way back. Coca-Cola has it made. It's way back. What do you mean by that, K. Marty? It's oversold. It's dropping through everything. I don't hold any, but keeping an eye, hoping it recovers. I certainly hope so too. New subscriber, Maxime, welcome to you. I am seeing Coca-Cola is now tokenized on TradingView if you search it under crypto tab. Really? It's a tokenized asset now. Well. That's interesting. I'm drinking a Mexican Coke right now. Doesn't that count towards your success? It does, 1970 Buckley. It absolutely does. Absolutely does. XRP, congratulations all on the 26 in 3 days. Trade was on the free XRP newsletter. Yes, it was. Thank you, Sensei. Mike, Brian, MSK, Mr. Bond, Liz, hope all is well. Sensei's in the house. Who wants Sensei to call in? Sensei. Should we get Sensei? I tell you what, if everyone copies and pastes Sensei in the chat, I'll ask him. He might not be able to, but I'll ask him. If everyone copies and pastes in the chat, if everybody wants to see Sensei today about XRP, come on, let's have Sensei on the show. Who wants Sensei on the show? Talking about XRP. All right? There is the link. We need everyone to copy and paste Sensei. Okay, I'll give Sensei the link. So he's got the link in Discord. There it is. He's messaging me. He's probably going to say, I'm out at the dentist. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. He's right. He's texting me now. Brian, Sensei, here we go. I can't, about to have dinner. He's too busy. He's having dinner. What the hell's all that about? I don't ever eat. I'm just live all the time. Sorry, folks. Stop saying Sensei. He can't. He's having his dinner. Oh, no. You get well soon, Sensei. Your newsletter is so good. Thank you for the like on the comment I made on your XRP newsletter. Yes, indeed. C. Marty. Hello, Zach. Thank you. How are you there? What if Coca-Cola drops even further? That's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. It can go lower. I'll buy more. All right? I try. Good evening, James, says Karen. 7% of my portfolio is Coca-Cola. 100% of mine is Coca-Cola. Thanks, C. Marty. Liz, sugar is bad. You should use sweetener in your tea rather than sugar. Hello, everyone. I know exactly why Coke went down. I bought some. Yeah, I know. It's always the same, Sensei. Wow. Buy Coke, burn fat. Love the juxtaposition, Martin. Liz, do you eat lots of sweets? Honestly, hanging in there. In 3 days, I achieved so much, feeling exhausting, like 1 month of work in the USA. Look, XRP, every 1 cent more. Sad and happy, same time. Good afternoon, folks. Legendary XRP run coming. Good afternoon. You told me that soon you will start analyzing stocks on the channel, which will be way to learn, invest in stocks. Yes, I will. When is that happening? I will start reviewing stocks again tomorrow. Okay. Bought lots of XRP at 135. Good luck to you. Pfizer ex-dividend in a few weeks. Did you buy back your XRP? No, I've put it all in. When I go all in, I go very much all in. I want to really buy every single share. So I'm buying value. XRP is great and all the rest of it, but it can go up and down. You know, I want to buy future payroll. I want to buy future revenue. I want to buy future cash flow, dividends, real money coming in. Never have to worry. That's what I'm buying. I can't about to have dinner, says Sensei. I just read that. I thought it was another one. Sensei, yeah, everyone's blowing up the chat. Wants to see Sensei. I'm sorry, folks. He's having his dinner. Guys, I can't. I'm about to have dinner with my wife. Oh, hello. What's this?
Marty tipped £2 through Super Chat. Martyn, song for the girls is on repeat. They love it.
Song for the girls is on repeat. They love it. Song for the girls? I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean songs for the girls is on repeat? You've lost me. See, Marty. What do you mean, Martyn? Song? Oh, you mean Puff the Magic Dragon from the music show? Is that what they're doing? Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Now I know what you mean. I was thinking, I didn't know what you meant. Sensei, get to the chopper. No, Sensei, next week. Hit the like button. Sensei, everyone's gone mad for Sensei in the chat. Think of maybe buying a little of that before it IPOs. SpaceX? Keep asking for the Dragon song. Keep asking for it. Kind of the period, James. Get too many sweet presents. Netflix earnings very soon this month. James, I will try. We are going to parents' house. I will if Martyn's still live. What's this? I will try. We are going to parents' house. So will if Martyn is still live. I will try. We are going to parents' house. So will if Martyn's still live. I'm not sure what that. I missed that. Amelia and Maisie on Friday. Yes, Puff the Magic Dragon. Cannot wait for SpaceX. That completely is going to the moon, literally. Sensei, if you come on live later, I will be watching. What great news about XRP. Hello, everyone. Bought more Coca-Cola today. Okay. All right. I tell you what we'll do. I'm going to do an XRP special. All right. Okay. Who wants it? Because XRP's rallying. While I'm losing all my money, I might as well celebrate your success. I might as well. So, okay, you ready? Let's do it. Let's do a special event. So here we go. Switch account. Oh, no. Don't switch account. Go live. Schedule a stream. I'm going to do an XRP special. Okay. Let me find a good one. Which is a good one? We'll do that. We'll do one of our famous pump shows. XRP is absolutely exploding. Oh, you are kidding me. I'm going to use that one. All right. All right. Okay. We'll do this. Live shows. Yes. We'll switch to it now. Okay, next. Redirect. There. Okay. We'll start this in 10 minutes. Yeah. January 2:45. We'll switch to it. I've got you the full deep dive on it. So I shall set this up now. Right. Okay. Here we go. I've done it. I've set it up. Create another, duplicate the screen. Go to here. Put it in the chat. I've got the full deep dive for you on it. You're going to love it. Takes a couple of seconds for me to see it on the screen. But I will bring it up in a second. There it is. Right. I'm going to redirect this one. Whoops. Nearly broke it then, folks. Let's put this here. Customization. We'll redirect to that. XRP now. Okay, there you go. That's done. Bring that up there. I'll give you the stuff on the screen in a second. So just stand by. We're rallying pretty quick now. We'll go green. Okay. So we'll get this one off here. We'll go there now. I've got a full deep dive on it. Boom. There we are, rocking and rolling. So here it is. This is where we're going to go now. XRP. So next, XRP pump event. There you go. There it is. You know what happens when we do these. Replace the pin, put it up the top. This is the event. We're going to go there in a couple of seconds. It's the XRP pump event. I've got the full breakdown for you. You're going to love it. Okay, you've got the link. I've given you all that. I'm going to put it on social media. You might want to share it everywhere. This will really get behind XRP. That's what I'm going to do now. So start a poll. Will we see XRP run to $10? That's the poll. We can see that. We just can't see the 100 like some people say. Okay, there it is. There's the poll in the next event. So I've given you the link. There you go. I'll put it here. There you go. I'm going to end this now so I can do the marketing for it, so we can promote it properly. So there's the link. You can go there now. It'll automatically take you there when I finish. It starts in just 10 minutes time. I'm going to do a bit of marketing, make sure everybody knows about it, and it should be a great event. I've got a great story from the newsletter and everything. So lots of stuff to standing on the moon. Yes, poor man, rich man. Awesome stuff. Look at that for a rally. Absolutely awesome. Okay, everybody. So you've got everything you need. I think we're good. Right, shall I end the show now and send everybody there? That I can get all the marketing done. Spot on. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes' time for the big event. It's going to be great. We love seeing events. We love seeing people make money. This is great. And I'll bring you all the news why it's doing so. All right? So you've got the link in the pinned, up the top. Yes. I'll take you there automatically, and I'll see you there myself in a couple of minutes. Don't go away. It's going to be an exciting afternoon. Bye-bye for now.